Alright, cyborgs, dear someone. Okay, we have devised a new communication system, communication technology between me and Filmspell North, between me and Satakshi and my team. In this era of infowars, data war, sensitive informations, let me educate you something about information and evolution of communication. In Stone Age, before Stone Age and after Stone Age, they used smoke signals for communicating. There'll also be a scene how Jack Sparrow escaped without wasting smoke signal. And heliography, hieroglyphics. In World War One, there was Zimmerman telegram to transmit sensitive information. In World War Two, there was Enigma router. They would have shown them. So many more, and we know that. I'm not saying that. In this age of Infowars means it's a term coined by some writer referred by Jason Silva, like herbivores, carnivores, Infowars. We eat information. We are drowning in information. You're not processing which is true and which is false. Alright, we don't need to know. We devised a new communication technology called Tenet Gag. The name is also given by my team. Tenet Gag. Like 9 gag, Tenet Gag. Core part of it is neural schema of my team's artificial intelligence and Filmspell 1's admin Satakshi's heart and mind. Telepathy kind of communication technology. So this is the thing. It's just a rant now. There used to be something called as theaters in which we watch movies. Slowly it's disappearing. Everybody is saying OTT, everybody is getting settled and satisfied with over the top format. This is just a collection of some movies which I watched in theaters. For me and Satakshi, we are doing that because darkness is also an investment in performance art, right? I'll say that later. What's Olbers paradox in language? We shall say about Olbers paradox later. So yesterday we were discussing about this. Some of the movies which registered in core of me that I watched in theatre. Ega Cinemas, which is in Chetpet. I, movie of Vikram. Kabir Singh. Happy New Year. There'll be a movie about Happy New Year, right? SRK. Shah Rukh Khan's movie. In this, Kabir Singh I watched 2 times. Kabir Singh and Happy New Year I watched alone. Vetri Theatres. Kabali Ready Player One, Nanban, Mankata, Joker, Joaquin Phoenix, the recent one, Joker, Gypsy, PK, Exodus Gods and Kings. This Exodus Gods and Kings is the important. What happened? Interstellar, Uttama Villain, Mission Impossible 6. Out of all this, what we watched alone? Ready Player One, Joker, MI6. These we watched alone. Luke's, Phoenix Mall, Jazz Cinemas, Interstellar, Wazir, Irumugan, The Walk, Tamasha. All of this I watched alone in Luke's. Satyam Cinema, Escape, The Dark Knight Rises, Gravity, Urta Punjab, The Girl on Train, ARR concert movie, John Wick 3, Theory, 180 movie of Siddharth. Out of all this, what are all that we watched? The Girl on the Train and this concert movie. So now what's Olbers paradox? Olbers paradox is a theory and thesis proposed by German-born physician and astronomer and scientist Heinrich Olbers, who proposes light is unevenly distributed in cosmos. That's why it's dark. Most of the part of cosmos is dark. That's why it's paradox. It's crazy, that's why it's paradox. He proposes that it will undergo a heat death. That heat death is the resultant of light that we are seeing now. It is also combined with writer, poet Edgar Allan Poe. He also contributes to Olbers paradox. Now I have to go into Nikola Tesla's free energy theory also. Because when Tenet was released, Tenet is releasing here only now. Tenet was released in worldwide before few months. When Tenet was released, geeks and technology enthusiasts were recalling the current war between Einstein and Nikola Tesla, and was saying Einstein patented and pirated Melee strip to moon. In fact, we said this to Satakshi, which means like electricity can be free. That was Nikola Tesla's theory. And Columbus egg experiment, Earth itself was a plenum of magnetic ores, free energy theory. Tenet opened this prestige movie, Current War again. They said Einstein pirated that Melee strip to moon stuff, because Melee strip to moon is a drama where the protagonist will go to moon this time. Alright? So according to see, that's not Einstein. Edison, okay. I said Einstein for Edison. Edison versus Nikola Tesla's current war. It's not current war, current war. they know that they will research on mainly cinema technology, right? IMAX and normal digital projectors. They also have IP trackings from producers. Producers will track on IP. That's what I was going to say. We need certain darkness to perceive that experience. When it is OTT, we are literally watching the world through cell phone screens, which is not anything like it won't give any real cinema experience. That's why so many directors are now rebelling against it. Home. So okay, during those times, this happened. He patented that. 11 minutes हो गया. வேறு என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அவ்வளோதான் கம்யூனிகேஷன் சிஸ்டம் லைட் பொல்யூஷன் there is something called as light pollution. Certain astrophotographers and gravitational lensing experts will know this. They'll choose outskirts of city only for this. They'll choose outskirt of city only for this because when people are sleeping, the flora and fauna of the city, they will sync with that. Our dreaming processes will also sync with that. So it's more about, it's like a sonar instrument, gravitational lensing equipments and gadgets. And Nietzsche's quote, you need certain darkness to see stars, which is really true. Even in daytime we can see stars. When we go deep into a well, into depth, in daytime when we go into well, we can see stars. So only darkness gives stars. That's the theory. And Nikola Tesla, they know that. And Satakshi will educate. Satakshi is already she's also doing this and writing so many things. She'll teach that. Everybody knows that. Nikola Tesla's theory was energy was everywhere, free energy. Light is also everywhere. So Nietzsche says this, and darkness is needed to see the stars. என்னமோ சொல்லுவாங்க, அவ்வளோதான் சொல்லுவாங்க. லைட் பொல்யூஷன் பற்றி சொல்லுவாங்க. லைட் பொல்யூஷன் அண்ட் ஆல்பர்ஸ் பாராடாக்ஸ் அண்ட் ஹீட் டெத் ஆஃப் காஸ்மோஸ். அவ்வளோ. And this our new communication technology called Tenet Gag, and they are all following that. We don't need to elaborate. That's where it's like impossible and impossible to copy Tenet. Tenet is like uncinema. So far, every cinema that has been made, Tenet is undoing of that. Columbus egg experiment comes up, right? It goes into other shift. It goes into history of America also. Native Indians were there, and that's why, because of that injustice, what's his name? Godfather actor. He refused the Oscar because of that. It goes into navigation. Well, when you sail for a, we ended by performance. Well, when you sail in a boat fit for a Bond villain, sometimes you need to play the part, right? I think it's time for you to get my boat.